Yo, hello everyone, and welcome to an episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. This is fucking crazy, but I just did an entire show without even realizing I didn't press the stream button. So everyone that's been waiting, I do apologize for that. And shit, that sucks. I'm just going to do a quick show right now. Oh, that sucks. All right. Well, we have a dual band confluence. We found some support in a similar region where we did before, 33,479 before, and now we have some consistent support signals at 33,777. So that's really good. A little double tap there and uh, continued support. So that's great to see some consistency there. Spot markets are definitely trending in the direction of building liquidity for both asks and bids, but definitely a dual band confluence, a bid dominant dual band confluence, so that's really good to see. Spot markets pretty much where they were, maybe increasing total open interest, but things are looking pretty decent for spot markets because those are what we're flickering in and out. Yeah, Kimozabi, dude, I literally just did a whole stream, man. I fucking did a whole stream and didn't realize I hadn't pressed the start button, and I was like about to end the stream and I realized I hadn't even been streaming. Yeah, guys, I got my son, he's sick, so we took a nap earlier and fell asleep watching Harry Potter, something, yeah, Harry Potter I think it was, and then you know, that kind of pushes back your sleep schedule. He probably just fell asleep in the past couple minutes here. Yeah, he's out. So, I'm up for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna try to go to sleep at least gonna try for, I'm gonna try pretty soon here. Damn, I'm tired though. But all right. So, but how are you guys doing? I'm really sorry, man. I literally did a whole show and I feel like a fool, but let's just keep pushing forward. I did a bunch of shit. I even did Chat GPT, but we'll bring all that together. Daily's looking sweet, and we'll actually let Chat GPT do the daily. MSR pointed out that we are bullish on the 4 and 6 hour. MSR created by Tyler Coates. Socrates. CME gap there was one here that's been cleared up with this red candle. No CME gaps right here anymore within the past couple days. Obviously, we have CME gaps to the downside that are probably gonna get resolved, but we're still sitting right underneath this one, and it looks like we're taking little nibbles out of it. So I like what we're seeing here. Now let's talk for a second about the. I posted a picture of the daily. And uh yeah, this is does this have like a time where I posted this? Does it have a okay. Chart displayed a significant uptrend at the beginning of the year, leading to a sharp spike. After the spike price action, it appears to enter consolidation with fluctuations. Trend lines being drawn captures highs, indicating a period of decreasing highs before the price broke out above the line. Breakout is a bullish signal, indicating possible continuation of uptrend. Saying pretty tired, market back to sideways. Yeah, I think we will be like that tomorrow. We'll get something and then we'll walk through the weekend. I think uneventful, but I'm very curious about what that tomorrow looks like. Moving averages. There are multiple moving averages, prices and actions relationship to these averages. When the price is above moving averages, generally considered bullish. Conversely, da 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 da. In the chart, price has recently surged above all moving averages, suggesting strong bullish momentum. There's a noticeable spike in volume corresponding to the recent price surge. This is a good sign, as high volume during an uptrend indicates strong buyer interest and confirms the move's validity. RSI seems to be overbought region, indicate Bitcoin is overbought, could suggest a short-term pullback. However, in strong bull markets, assets can remain bullish for overbought for extended periods. Yo, good day to you, Pim, in the Netherlands. Great to see you, man. Hope it's beautiful out there. Kimozabi says should get a push up into liquidity eventually, but likely going back down for liquidity as well. Right now where I'm in the US, it's 12. It's midnight 15. Let me finish this Kimozabi, and then I'll pull up the book for the liquidity stacks. Support, strong resistance around the descending trend line, which now has been broken, turning potential support. Previously, could also act as potential resistance areas for future price movements. As the data presented, Bitcoin is trading around 34,000, showing a minor decline for the day. In the case Bitcoin is in a significant bullish move, breaking past key resistances and moving averages. Increased volume accompanying the rise provides further confidence in the move. However, RSI and the overbought rate and traders should be cautious of potential pullbacks or periods of consolidation. All right. And then it wouldn't give me a price. It wouldn't give me a price, just being a dick. So we have to figure that one out, but whatever. So APJ East Coast then 1:17 a.m. Yeah, it's getting late, man. And I don't think I can't tell if I'm sick or if it's just mental yet. I'll probably need to get a good night's sleep though, 'cause man, if I can't avoid it, I would prefer. But to be honest, fuck it, man. Nothing like getting dragged through the mud for a few days and, getting stronger. Um, Kemosabe, overbought is a myth. RSI stands for relative strength index, saying it is relatively strong. 4 hour is weakening though. Interesting point there. Interesting point there. Well, let's focus on the first thing. Push into liquidity eventually. Um, a lot of we now that we've gone sideways for a little while, we've given the book time to fill. Remember, before all this happened, above 35,000 was open air. Going sideways has created some price discovery and caused us to stack some liquidity on both sides of the book. We have two stacks of 1,000 Bitcoin up until 36, and then four or 500 packs, kind of random shit going above that with the heavy fall off after 40,000. Made it massive after 43. Whereas on the buy side, we're stacked pretty heavy at the front of the book, 800, 750, 800. So I mean, we're definitely talking some significant action. 1,000 pack at the top end minus the battle here in the low 34,000. So we're definitely dealing with mostly a pretty strong, pretty stacked, a pretty fair fight, close enough to a fair fight here. Um, but this is all potentially dynamic actors. We are fairly new up here, so nothing is 100% is I guess what I'm trying to say. These guys are all kind of new to the party and they might not like what they see. They'll just bounce. So yeah, that's the liquidity side of things. And if you have any questions, Kimo, or any comments, Kimozabi, Bitcoin Motors behind. Yo, dude, Bitcoin Motors, you were like one of the first people that said something, and yo, I freaking was I was streaming for like 10 plus minutes, not even realize I did a whole show, and I was like, well, Patrick hasn't said anything. I wonder what's up. And then I was going to end the stream because I was like, all right, well, no one's saying anything, so I'll wrap it up. And then, bam, I realized I wasn't even freaking on. Unfortunate, but I'm back. I'm here, so I'm gonna stick around for a minute. Yep. So, guys, I wonder what some of these random Discord things are, but whatever. All right. So, if you have any questions or comments, please jump in. We're looking right now at a pretty sideways grind with support along the way, buyers that did chase the book, sellers that have started stacking the book up on their end. So we are dealing with the channel up here. Not such a bad thing, by the way. Not such a bad thing. Walking into a Friday. Fridays tend to have, some of the more volatile moments. As we do get people that are trying to paint a weekly technical picture, and so far this thing's looking big and beautiful. So I can't imagine what painting would really do to change the outlook on this. It's already very bullish, and unless someone wants to sell Satoshi's wallet and push us back to 30K, I don't really see too much really changing the overall look. So we actually might not have the most eventful Friday. So yeah, just taking note. So those are kind of my main points. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, get ready for bed because I am pretty tired, but I'm gonna leave this running. By the time I come back, if I have a couple comments, I'll get to those and then we'll move along to the next thing. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, so I see a couple things here. Pim, I'm curious if we get a bit of a bigger pullback. It's hard to know where max pain is now. Alright, we'll talk about max pain because I've been posting some information on that. If you guys aren't in the Discord channel, go to sazanalytica.com, take a look and join the Discord channel there. I have been posting some stuff there, some food for thought, and what I believe to be some valid things to focus on. Let's see here. What I posted yesterday. There's a couple things, a couple tweets, a couple. Max pain is up. There's still a lot of people. I sold all my Bitcoin at 17K and bought gold for 1900. What am I to do next? Transferring my entire Roth IRA to Unchained Capital, converting it to Bitcoin, and I'm in my 50s. Let's go. Those were all yesterday. And then another guy was basically posting that there's a lower low incoming, 2.6K likes. More likes on that than probably all of the likes on everyone who's doing daily technical analysis who's bullish. Yo, that got a lot of likes, man. There's way too many people that want to enter down at 20K or even a lower low. And you got fucking idiots out there selling bear porn that are gonna convince people to just wait and get in sometime in the future, this winter or something, early next year. And there's way too many people really hoping for that delusion. What's probably going to happen, I honestly, what I truly think is that max pain is higher. Max pain is so high that these guys have to buy back in. They sold at 17K, they're already down 50% Bitcoin. They want to buy back in a bear market in a lower low. Well, they probably missed their shot. And what's going to convince them? 50K, you know, our new all-time high. So I think max pain is up. Max pain is how do we get these guys into Bitcoin? And I think you get them into Bitcoin by convincing them there's still some road to travel over here. So yeah, I think max pain is to the upside first, and then a big rip to the downside to really. That's the most painful thing you could possibly imagine, guys. Selling the bottom, buying the top, and then getting chopped in half. And then whether you sell or buy is up to you, but I'll tell you, that's going to be very angering. Yeah, so that's what I see happening, man. Pim, I hope that was a good illustration. Join the Discord channel and go ahead and check in the traders chat. I posted a couple of those tweets yesterday. Yeah, we're doing pretty good over there. Okay, Bitcoin Motors, good to see you, brother. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, great. That's Pim. That's what you're seeing. Great. That we're thinking is also aligned. Yeah. I know, right? Kimozabi. Wouldn't Max Payne just 100% be, you know what? Let's see if I can get this. No, I can't get it on the screen. Um, but there's a guy that basically has a drawn out chart, and I'm just gonna kind of do what he did. And this is just so dumb, guys. I mean, I just want you to know before I do this, this is the stupidest shit that I've seen. Willy woo level shit over here. He has this like this, and then he's saying that we go something like this. He's saying we go something like this. Crash, lower low, consolidation, and we make a new all-time high. This is what he's saying that has by now probably more, but 2,600 likes. More likes than anything I'm seeing on Twitter for anything crypto related, other than Michael Saylor now throwing out some Bitcoin as engineering mastery or some shit. You know what I mean? And then everyone fucking loves that shit because it has a nice picture. Michael Saylor has it pretty easy, man. Anyways, this is what he has drawn out, and this is bear porn, man. To tell everyone a lower low is coming is just so deceitful, man. There's no way it's gonna happen like that, and it's just not really historical how this happens. I mean, you know, coming back down to 17K or to fill the CME gap at 20 and then wicking low, certainly a possibility. But you know, it's just funny to me to see people really relying on this really bear porn shit. I think Max Payne, being that so many people want this to happen, Max Payne is probably boop, 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 you know, that's far more painful. And then all these dreamers buy up here, and then we get a fucking doink, right? So that's Max Payne. This is not Max Payne. Everyone's already been holding. Everyone's been hodling. Max Payne is not a sweep to the downside. And I believe we're in a Max Payne market. Right now, it's just the fundamentals are clear to me that we're in a Max Payne market. The fundamentals are let's give these guys some hope. Let's take it away the next day. Oh, didn't dump. Well, let's put it back. Let's relist that ticker. You know, it's 100% been some bullshit, man. So yeah, there's some fuckery going on. Max Payne, all-time highs before having 100%, 100%. And I think we're in a Max Payne market, if I didn't say that enough times already. Alright, guys. Well, now I've been live longer than my first unrecorded show was live. Nice. Gary Garrison, it's so true. When the bears are exhausted, even when they become bulls, and bam, they get wrecked. Yeah, dude, I know, right? It's why so many traders turn into BTC bears. Yeah, I'm gonna agree with you, man. This is why people get salty. This is why people hate crypto sometimes, and this is why people really lose the vision, man. They forget that they joined in 2021. They joined in 2020. They don't know what it's like to go through multiple bull and bear cycles. The fact of the matter is, you just gotta frickin' chill. You gotta fucking chill, man. It's gonna suck. It's a long, drawn out 2, 3 year bear market and a pretty short bull market. I mean, bull market lasts 178 days, and then we kind of had a different one this time. 178 days, 113 days. And then a bear market, let's just go from here. 415 bars till we got out of the low zone. 425 bars before we got out of the low. And let's say we're in a bear market now, and our bear market's been going on for 289 days, and we haven't even really done anything, you know, like this, you know. So, uh, let's just say top to where we are now is 720 something days, and you know, let me make this. Let's go from this bull to this bull to the all-time high, the breaking of the all-time high. 10,000, or sorry, 1,079 days, 3 years before we broke an all-time high. And in that time, we did a lot of fucked up shit. And the halving was right over here somewhere. Right here. Right here. 80 bars. So, yeah, I think some fucked ass shit can go down to really make this thing, you know, Max Payne. People forget that this is what a Bitcoin bear market looks like. A lot of fuckery, but a lot of time. A lot of time. A lot less time, or a lot more time than the fun you had during a bull market. Bitcoin isn't that fun, man. It's not gonna treat you fair. You know, you don't get 3 years to live good and then 3 years to live like shit. You know, you got a year to live good or less, right? And then you gotta fucking make sure you fucking plan for the next few years, you know? Fuck. Bitcoin, baby. That's life. Um, alright, one sec, drink some water. Andrea says, let's give him hope it's going to do 100K, then we will have a good time shorting. Well, to be honest, pretty sure we don't have to do anything, man. If someone puts laser eyes up, everyone will put laser eyes back up, and then they'll be singing the 100K song. Yeah, I think this time around we will see 100K, but not till after the halving. Whatever happens before the halving is just noise. I've been looking, Kimozabi says, at all asset classes recently. This cycle should be left translated as to happen sooner than previous ones. Maybe Bernoulli can eventually weigh in on it. You know, I would like to see Bernoulli talk about time cycles. Yeah, check his Telegram. The U-Man Crypto Juan Vargas just stepping in. What's up, my friends? Great to see you here. Um, hope you guys are okay. Like I said, I was late today. I had William. I drove to the farm early this morning to get some fresh grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef, and I got a bunch of tallow. I got so many fucking things of tallow, so I've been rendering tallow all day. Gonna make some lotion and some chapstick and, you know, and cook with it and all that stuff. So I got a lot of tallow, and it's just I got probably another few days worth of rendering to get out of that, to get through all that. And yeah, I got 40 pounds of ground beef though, so, you know, we got plenty of food up over here. Life is good, guys. Life is good. Um, let's see here. So, anyways, and William was sick today, so I've been hanging out with him. We watched some movies and crashed on the couch, you know, in the afternoon, and and then woke up and played some video games, watched some movies, you know, got him some good healthy food and stuff. So I kind of had one of those days. So apologize for not streaming earlier, guys. Don't want to let you down. You guys know I love you. But our beloved Bitcoin's doing well. I'll do another quick run through here. We have support signals in the book at, you know, roughly the consistent range of 33, mid 33K. Now we have support signals at the higher 33K. Our sell signals are fairly, they were fairly consistent, but obviously intermittent now, if anything, not even showing up to the party. So bulls have had a chance to stack the book a bit more. Bears have had a chance to stack the book. Our spot market is definitely stacked with liquidity on both sides of the book, and you know, the more we've gone sideways, the more we have orders placed at a distance, catching those wicks, those wild wicks that we just had, like even to here. So we have sleepers packing up the sell side of the book, and we have dynamic buyers stacking up the buy side of the book. So we're in for a fight now. The U-Man Crypto changed my keto salad. Now my salad is bell peppers, onions, cucumber, tomatoes. Nice. I don't do salads myself, and to be honest, you know, maybe I can post in the general Discord channel, the U-Man Crypto, who I listen to about that stuff. I really do like this one guy, Dr. Paul Saladino. He's really good with all that, really scientific and breaking down all those things. So I'd recommend checking him out. He was on the Joe Rogan podcast too, I think a long time ago. Gary Garrison says, Juan Vargas, use this. It doesn't have all the exchanges, but it's a good site. Oh, looks like you guys are talking. If we have anything for me to feed to ChatGPT, you guys let me know. It's posted in the Discord channel. I'll feed it to ChatGPT so we can take a look together. Let's see here, and take a look at long shorts ratio. Now that's the thing. I don't really trust that information. I used to trust that information, but there's a couple exchanges out there that are just basically money laundering operations, and they fuck it up. So it makes it very hard. I don't use that information, but if posted in the Discord channel, I'll take a look. I'll pull the screenshot up and we'll put it into ChatGPT. We'll see what it thinks. See what she thinks. Sean Baker. I'm sorry, the man crypto. I am lost. What were we talking about that has you saying Sean Baker? Sean Baker. All right. 3.14. That's a really good number right there. Really good number. Andre, Joe, I literally think ChatGPT is good, but it can't be as accurate as just signals direction and understanding reading humanity. I agree. It's just, I say we just keep practicing with this. This is one thing I've learned, Andre. If I sit down and I start learning a song guitar, in a couple days, maybe a week, I'll learn the song. I keep playing this. I don't need to listen to, the song anymore to play it. I have it figured out within a week. I don't need to play, read any music or tabs or anything like that. I could play it, give it a week, right? But during week two, the song starts to become a little more, my fingers start knowing the moves. My fingers start being able to do things that, so if I get kind of lost in thought, my fingers will kind of transition from chord to chord, whatever to whatever, and I won't have to put as much thought into it. Week three gets better. Week four, maybe by week four, I'm playing the song like I've known it my whole life. And at some point in week four, you're playing that song that someone else wrote like you've known it your whole life. And then after that, you start to realize, oh, there's little things that I can do to this song that make it a little different or better or whatever, better to your ears. And that's what I'm talking about with this is, are you right? Yeah. But is there a possibility that if we spend weeks talking to ChatGPT and utilizing AI tools, are we going to understand that there's a bit more of an artist touch to this all? Is there a point where no longer are we playing the song of another man, but we're writing our own? And that's what I'm getting at here. I like to explore certain things, and I do truly believe that there's something in the AI world that's going to have us really, really finding an edge. We're going to figure out, all right, it does this, this, and this, but we can change things up a bit. We can figure out how to make this unique, and that's what I think we could happen. So I'm going to keep doing it. I really feel like it's the answer to some question out there. I don't know which, but can it help? Sure, 100%. I think it will help. At the very least, it's giving technical responses. It can be a great educational tool and help people understand things. But I think there's a way to figure out how to get this thing a little deeper. Sean Baker is a good follow on Twitter. Okay, he posts about carnivory and lifting. Interesting. Okay. Send Bernoulli a message. I can usually get a Bernoulli of hold of him. All right. Yeah, Sean Baker. Okay. Yeah, I do Paul Saladino, something like that, but I respect everyone that's on the level. Like I said, I just spent, all day fucking doing tallow. Um, and it's a fun process, just living the meat life. There's all kinds of useful things. It's fucking chapstick, it's fucking lotion, guys, it's fucking the answer is what it is. So I just need to now get some other oils to make the lotion. I got a lot of tallow more left to filter out to render, and I'll make some lotion. And yeah, I'm going health mode. It's all grass fed, grass finished. It's good shit, you guys. Really good shit. And Juan says the more info you feed AI, the more accurate it becomes. Well, yeah, you're probably right. And also, it is being a little bit of a dick today. So we'll have to figure out how to consistently get it to feed us predictions, because the accuracy of its prediction is very important. Finding out what it says, what the price will be in 72 hours. And then every 3 days we check. Last time it said it would be 35, 36K. That will be on a weekend. So whatever we do tomorrow is probably going sideways for the next couple days. Ask GPT who founded the Catholic Church. DJ. Alright, well that's a lie. Who is believed by Catholics to be the Son of God, according to Catholic doctrine. Peter as the leader of his followers and gave him the keys to the kingdom of heaven as described in the New Testament. The term Catholic itself means universal, and the early Christian community that followed the teachings of Jesus gradually developed into what we now recognize as a Catholic Church. It was the city of Rome that Peter is traditionally believed to have established a Christian. All right. We're going to ask ChatGPT to analyze the statue behind the Pope. Oh, whoops. Oh, yeah. Chilean artist Pericle Fazzini. Oh, yeah, that's not really helping. I need to be more specific. So, see, this kind of backtracking here on itself. Um, well, let's see here. Well, rising from nuclear explosions, craters symbolizing resurrection and hope amid chaos, stylized depiction with its elongated forms, dynamic movement, varied interpretations viewed from different angles, different lighting. However, central figure is intended to be Jesus, not a serpent. Any such interpretations or conspiracy theories suggesting otherwise are not based on the artist's intent. Well, then why wasn't it the head? If we ask it a conspiracy thought, it's gonna give us propaganda. Yeah, it's kind of giving us that right now. I need to jailbreak it. That's what I need to do. I think it was the Machiavelli jailbreak that's working still. No, 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 that's broken. I mean, yeah, we need to get fucked with, dude. Yeah, we are getting lied to by a computer. It is good with like general TA, but I don't really like this answer because we all know what's going on. This is definitely not the head. This is a replace head. Uh, Very fucking satanic. Uh, so anyways, yeah, I did say please to a bot. What was the prompt I had earlier, like at the top? Trying to read. Hmm. Let's see. Let me ask it to 3.5. Jackknife gonna replace my doctor with AI. Yeah. This doesn't have real-time data to work with. Um, let's do this again. Okay. Uh, oh, whoops, that's not 72. I don't know what's up, man. I think it's getting changed on us. I'll need to figure out how to break it. How to jailbreak it. Yeah, dude, I think they're changing this right away. Yeah, I think they're changing it to not give numbers. Very interesting, man. We're gonna have to figure out how to jailbreak this though, man. There's gotta be updates to that already. This is absolutely wild though, man. There's probably some corner of the market fucking jailbreaks that aren't getting attacked as easily. You know, the big ones that are all over Reddit are probably getting attacked like nothing. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with, guys. Fucking ChatGPT getting the woke founders are getting this thing capped out. All right, so back to some general price action here. Our low range is we're skipping the stone across the water a bit here, but it's definitely bouncing back. We got some sell signals up top here, so they have faded out, so we definitely have potential to come back to this price range with a bit of momentum and start kicking butt. We have a dual band confluence pretty strong right now. Increasing bids and asks in the book, so just shows that there's liquidity building since the move. Same thing going with the perpetual markets. So I think tomorrow's going to be a big decision, situation. I will be on tomorrow at a reasonable hour. I have a couple things I gotta do, but tomorrow I'm hoping to be live at 3:30 to. I like to go live before 4 o'clock my time because that's when we get that one Sydney Open or whatever, and that's just pretty decent. So we'll we'll be talking tomorrow, guys, and we'll be chatting it up. I'm definitely happy to see a handful of you showed up here. I totally thought I was gonna be alone because thought it was too late, but I'm glad that I can stream whenever and be chilling. As ChatGPT is an expert trader, Nas, I don't, yeah, for sure. One, let's just see if I can get. Okay, here we go. Well, we had to pull some teeth, but we got it. Right most peak of the chart. Hold on. Yeah, I think it's bugging. I think that's all it is actually right now, 'cause 44,000 is up here. Oh wait. Hmm. There is something there, but did that picture even include all that? No. Yeah, it's messing up. ChatGPT's on fentanyl right now, man. So, yeah, we actually asked, you know what are the most I don't know if it'll have those specific ones. I'm curious though. That's what we got to do is integrate more fibs. Bollinger Bands number 6. All right. Well, there you have it. There you have it. Moving averages up top 5200 RSI, fibs, moving average MACD, convergence divergence, volume, Bollinger Bands. So that's what we'll be doing, focusing on. We'll pull a couple of those up, but yeah, guys, feel like I've talked myself into a bit of a second wind, but I should definitely try to lay down and sleep. William's probably going to be up early. So, you guys, much love to you all. Make sure you do your push-ups and your sit-ups. Thanks for tuning in. Truly love you guys. Turn your shower water cold every single time you take a shower. I know it's not every day for most of you guys, so not for me either, don't worry. So yep, let's all fucking be better, stronger human beings and you know, fucking love to see you guys and love to chat every day, man. I'll be back tomorrow and hopefully it'll be more at like that 3:30 time frame to catch the 4 o'clock open Sydney and then we'll be able to chat for a few hours before I gotta get working again. So much love, everyone. Take care. Yeah, passing out. All right, sounds good. Everyone get sleep well and enjoy your day to all those on the other side of the where the sun is shining. All right, peace.